So
So, Rupali, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling on top of the world today. We are going home finally with the baby, and my pregnancy was not a very easy one. It was with multiple fibroids, and basically I had a lot of issues. So all my friends who have delivered, in the past 2.5 years, same age group, they all had a C-section, be it in US or Dubai or all my friends in India. So they were very sure after listening to my case that you will definitely have a C-section. So there was no point even discussing and explaining me that how a normal would be. But when they just came to know that I have delivered normal, so the topic shifted from actually how's the baby to how could you do a normal delivery. So
Okay.
I said that
Not bad, huh?
yes, it has actually happened. It has actually happened that the conversation for 2 days continued to how could it happen. So I said I have no clue personally. I kept on pleading the doctor till the last moment. Please give me
Yes.
epidural. Please go for a C-sec. And she was very sure that we'll pull it off and it will be definitely a very normal delivery. And by grace of God, it was actually a normal delivery. So I think we should not have a prejudiced mind, and one should always trust your doctors. Just go as per what they say, because they have more experience than what you can even think of. So
So
it's
good.
always good to just have faith in them the way you have it in God, and just go by what they
Wow,
say.
that's a lot to say, Rupali.
Thank you once again.
It's always God who does it. There's no doubt about it. But of course, we were very fortunate that you
Yes.
also did, you did not trouble us that much.
No, but
You were very, very patient, though you asked for a cesarean. That's okay.
yeah,
But
but I think for
Eventually, you
me,
said, it's it's okay.
it's okay. The pain really went off. It was absolutely
Once you delivered.
Once I delivered, it was not that easy. I was going unconscious, then again conscious, but it can be pulled off.
Yeah.
It can be pulled off, and trust the team of doctors you are with. I'm glad that I could really come here and
Come
get
here
into
to Apollo Spectra
to
with
Apollo
Dr.
Spectra with
Malvika.
Dr. Malvika Sabharwal and Dr. Shivani
Shivani.
Sabharwal, Dr. Huma, Dr. Nupur, who really made sure that during all my pains, everything is being taken care properly. Thank
Great.
you. Thank you.